If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To invoice customers for amounts recorded in purchase forms and assigned to customer jobs, open the Sales Invoicing window and select the customer to bill for their job costs. Then click the Apply Tickets/Expenses hyperlink under the Line Items area in the window to open the Apply Tickets/Reimbursable Expenses dialog box, which shows all the job-related expenses. In this dialog box, click the Reimbursable Expenses tab to view the job expenses, and then check the Use checkbox for any expenses to use in the invoice. To delete any expenses, check the Delete checkbox to remove them from this window. You can use the Write Up button to mark up specified items by an amount or a percentage. You could also enter any markups to the amount by manually changing the amounts listed in the invoice. When finished, click the OK button in this window to add the items to the invoice. Then complete and save the customer invoice as normal. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.